I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch with the Loomis method. Start with a sphere, then flatten its sides to create a more skull-like shape. Divide the sphere into quarters with a vertical and horizontal line. These lines will guide the placement of facial features. This foundational step ensures your head drawing has correct three-dimensional volume and perspective from the very beginning, making subsequent steps much easier to manage. After establishing the basic head shape, divide the face into 3 equal sections. The first section runs from the hairline to the brow, the second from the brow to the base of the nose, and the third from the nose to the chin. This 3-part division is crucial for consistent facial proportions, ensuring features are correctly spaced and aligned. Now let's place the features. The eyes sit on the brow line, approximately 1 eye width apart. The bottom of the nose aligns with the second horizontal line. The mouth is usually positioned about halfway between the nose and the chin. Remember to adjust these placements and the curvature of your initial lines to reflect the head's specific tilt or turn. With the main features in place, it's time to refine. Shape the jawline and connect it smoothly to the neck. Add the ears, typically positioned between the brow and nose lines. Then, focus on hair and subtle expressions to bring your sketch to life. Gradually erase your initial construction lines as your drawing takes form, leaving a clean, polished portrait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.